We're keeping the conversation going with the guy you just heard there. Sugar, sugar, how you get so high, huh, Baby Bash? If you're considering products and you're a little weary, we're going to continue our conversation here about CBD. We have with us rapper Baby Bash, and he's joined by his business partner, Jonathan Gwynn. And also we have with us Wesley Patterson, who uses the product. So Wesley, let's begin with you. Why did you need CBD, and what does it help you with?
Well, my doctor recommended CBD. I'm on a lot of medications, and they've been causing adverse side effects. And I'd rather take something natural rather than take a lot of prescription medications that's going to eventually destroy my liver and kidneys.
And so did it help you? Did you notice a difference when you switched to CBD?
I did notice some relief. I was able to reduce some of my medications. I did try it cold turkey, and I don't advise that unless like your doctor orders it. But I did try going to CBD cold turkey for a few days, and I did notice a difference. It was doing similar things that my medication did.
So it helped you out?
Yes.
Let's bring Mr. Gwynn into this conversation. You know, a lot of people are under the impression that, oh, this is the alternative to some weed, but it's not about that at all, right?
Not at all, not at all. This is hemp. This is derived from hemp. There's no psychoactive ingredient in it.
And that would be the what? THC, right?
THC,
yeah.
Correct. And, you know, it's lab processed. We have labs in Colorado. We have a farm that we're a licensed farm by the state of Colorado. We have labs there where our product is processed. And we came into this business to help people like Mr. Patterson here. And to see Mr. Patterson's results, and then what Bash and I said is, you know, we have people with serious ailments that need a little bit stronger medication. So our chemist and our scientists at the lab, we came out with, we're coming out with the 4,200 and 8,000 milligram because Mr. Patterson reacts to 1,000 milligrams, but he really would do better at a 8,000 milligram bottle. So we've developed with our scientists and stuff, high milligram bottle, high dosage bottles for patients and people that need it.
Now, Bash, you and I talked about this last week. We know there are a lot of people out there who take advantage of people, calling it a miracle drug, a miracle topical, a miracle oil, but the results are within limits, and you guys respect that. You don't mislead people, right?
Yeah, we're not doctors, we're not physicians. You know, the myths of curing cancer and all these ailments, we hear that all the time. We want to let people know it's different. Everybody's different on the inside. Everybody has different chemical balance inside. So CBD will work better for some people on certain ailments than the others. You just have to test your tolerance. You have to try it, get into a regimen and figure it out, because it will attack inflammation. It's been researched. Everything we say has been scientifically proven. So that's what we're aiming at. We're not trying to tell you it's going to save your 99-year-old life or anything like that. You know what I'm saying?
Get it any damn way.
But we're gonna set you on a program that maybe it could build a shield for you to protect you from more ailments and stuff like that. But different people react different, just like with anything. There's some people that could drink all day and not get affected. Then there's some people who have one beer and they're flipping out on the ground, you know? So just like anything in your body, different people react different.
Now, Jonathan, let's talk about the FDA approved it for epilepsy in what? Children, right?
Right.
But that's the only thing they've approved it for.
That's correct. That's correct. There is no other approval yet, as of yet, but they are testing it, and there are regulations coming in. And of course, it's great to see results like Mr. Patterson, and we never, like Mr. Patterson weaned himself off. I recommended for Mr. Patterson none of that. But I told him that, hey, you got to use strong dosage, and you kind of got to do it yourself. It's not up to me, or it's up to his doctor.
And with our company's all tested in labs, and we're in there like swimwear, man. It's all real.
Ain't nothing like swimwear.
All
right.